The event for today is a simple collaboration between a local community group known as Hack the Box KE and Safaricom, where we decided to partner with them just to bridge the gap between enterprise security and lab security. We're currently in the age of AI, and this is where we're seeing most organizations trying to keep up with just keeping up with the new AI trends that are coming up. And in terms of cybersecurity, it's more about how now you can use AI to proactively defend your environment.
And with AI and how fast Claude is working, it's making the attacker process fairly faster. I really got to connect with a lot of people. You just see people online and stuff, and really getting to see them, talk to them has been really awesome. The only thing that is a barrier to you to start is your own mind. That's what I say. Don't be afraid to not know. Just sit and learn.
And I believe that in the next 10 years or in the next 20 years, the game is going to change.